In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip files in Google Drive. This handy skill will not only save you valuable storage space, but also simplify the process of sharing multiple files at once. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet effective process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. This may sound basic, but it's the gateway to managing all your files effectively. After reaching Google Drive, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so. Enter your email address, continue to the next prompt, and then enter your password. Click Next to access your Drive storage. Once logged in, find the file or files you wish to zip. Right-click on your chosen file. Among the options that appear, you'll see Download. Go ahead and click that. This action will start the process of downloading the file to your local computer. Don't worry, it might take a few moments depending on the size of the file and your internet speed. After the download completes, locate the file in your browser's download location. Usually this is the downloads folder, but you might have set a different location. Now, click and drag the file onto your desktop or another easily accessible folder on your computer. This makes the next step much easier to execute. Next, we're going to create the zip file. Find the file you just moved to your desktop, right-click on it, and look for the option that says either zip or compress, depending on your operating system. Selecting this option will create a compressed version of your file or files if you're zipping multiple items together. Wait a moment for your computer to create this zipped file, which should appear in the same location as the original. Finally, it's time to upload this newly created zip file back into Google Drive, thus completing our goal. To do this, simply click and drag the zip file into your Google Drive browser window. Alternatively, you can use the New button in Google Drive to upload the file. Watch as Google Drive uploads the file, and once the upload is complete, you'll have successfully zipped and stored your files in Google Drive. Remember, zipping files not only helps you save space by reducing file size, but also organizes multiple files into a single, manageable file for sharing or storage purposes. Whether you're looking to share a project with colleagues or simply keep your files tidy, understanding how to zip and upload files to Google Drive is an invaluable skill. And there you have it. You've just learned how to zip files in Google Drive in just a few simple steps. Whether you're working on a large project, sharing documents with friends, or just trying to save some space, this skill is sure to come in handy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your digital life a little bit easier.